Okay, so I've been trying to replace this broken spoke. I've got a new one and I've put it in from here up to the nipple after a few issues. The problem now is that when I try to tighten the nipple there, we still have about half a centimeter left just at the very top here. When I try to spin it, even when I use pliers on this with some protection, the whole thing just keeps spinning, so I'm not quite tightening the nipple onto this. So any suggestions on how to make that possible would be helpful. This seems to be gripping it well, and then the whole thing just spins. I've put some lubrication on this, so I would hope it spins well, but for whatever reason I can't do it. So yeah, any suggestions would be much appreciated. Thank you.